Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we got something really special for you guys. I'm at my dad's auto body shop and I'm actually working for my dad, and we just did a full repaint job on this Western Star semi truck. That even though this truck is like over 20 years old, it is looking brand new and is looking so amazing. But this isn't where it started. So let's go way back to see what it took to paint this thing. So let's get to it. First things first, when I started filming, we already had taken off all the trim pieces and all the chrome pieces, and it was already fully sanded. And as you can see, it used to be red actually, but we're gonna be completely changing the color. And the first thing we're actually gonna be doing is masking off all the areas we don't want paint on. So that's what we started doing. Well, there you have it guys. As you can see, we got the whole top of the semi truck all painted, and of course we did go with that glossy black look, which I think looks really cool actually. We actually had to paint this thing in 2 different stages, as you can see, because the truck was just so tall and big. So now we're going to unmask everything and remask to paint the rest of the truck. So that's what we did. Does it feel like we belong when you turn and say, oh, darling, that ain't like you. I don't wanna fight you, cause I know deep inside is where I've gotta grow. And honestly, this life moves like a daydream, caught between all the way it goes, ain't always the way it seems. So lovely, cut right through all the ugly feelings face, cause the way they are ain't Well, take a look at that, guys. We just finished painting the whole rest of the truck, and I gotta say that glossy black finish is looking super shiny. It actually went on way smoother than we were expecting and turned out awesome. But we're not done yet. We still have all the chrome pieces and all the trim pieces to go back on the truck, so let's get to it.
Oh, no way. You serious? Oh, this is almost quitting time.
I was hoping to spot that in yet.
The next day.
One quick thing to add while my dad is lowering the hood on the truck, and that is the fact that we still haven't painted the side tanks, the fuel tanks. They currently look like this, which does not match that. So we gotta quickly paint those up. So roll that montage of me brushing that paint on.